Hey guys, how's it going? Just want to do a quick little update because I'm working on the mod sled again with Levi. He finally got a job. He's off the streets now. Yep. Mid-September, so it oh man, got M&M in my throat. But a little warm out. But it's a good time to start working on the mod sled. So this is what we sort of got going on. Flip you around here. I painted the hood and it's actually shiny now. And then we thought it definitely needs a cover for this since I took off the OEM headlight assembly and threw on something I can actually see in the dark with. So I'm gonna get that sand. Jeez.
Blooper reel.
So I'm gonna get that sanded down and probably paint it. I don't know if I want to Bondo that or just, yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. But one of the straps broke today too, which is unfortunate. But yeah, I just took a 1/4 inch plastic here and just cut it out 2 inches too big, bent it down and riveted on. Hopefully it holds. I went and put airbox and different stuff on, new fuel line, got seat on. I mean, you can tell that, but nothing's bolted down. And oh yeah, I painted the exhaust this high temp matte black, which should look pretty good when it's all said and done. Let's go over here. Engine got torn apart, you guys already saw that. But I went through the bottom end and dug out the aluminum from the cases, and actually all the bearings are still good and tight, like, and quiet, every single one of them. So I'm not gonna get a new crank. I ordered cases, those should be in next week hopefully, and I can get the bottom end put together with the water pump and seal and stuff. Top end kit's gonna come later in the build. Hopefully not too much later, but definitely later. Ain't a whole lot more to talk about it though. It's definitely gonna look a lot better than last year with the hood actually being closed, and it's gonna be a lot quieter for me. And what?
Shop to work in now?
Much bigger, brighter shop with a wagon and straw in here, I guess. I just moved back and opened up my own shop, so still trying to get everything organized. But yeah, that's probably it for today. Just want to do a quick little update on this again. And hopefully soon it'll be a better update. And maybe here at Run here within hopefully a month or two. Before it snows is my goal. But yeah, stay tuned for the updates and see ya.